Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by joining on time and owning setup. Once you click the meeting link, confirm the correct account and selected device. Make sure the agenda is visible to everyone and files are attached so you don't waste minutes sharing screens. Do a quick mic and camera check. If audio echoes, switch to a headset. Take the first 60 seconds to state the goal and roles so participants focus immediately and the meeting starts with purpose. You control pace by sticking to the agenda and calling time limits aloud. Once a segment runs long, suggest a follow-up. Use screen share for visuals and encourage chat for links or short questions. When discussion stalls, use raise hand or create a 5-minute breakout to solve details. Make decisions aloud and assign owners with deadlines, then paste that list into the chat. This keeps accountability clear and prevents ambiguity about who does what and when. You wrap by recapping decisions and confirming each action owner and due date. Once confirmed, post notes and the recording to the channel so absentees are aligned. Make sure to end on time to respect schedules and prevent scope creep. If someone loses audio or the meeting drops, instruct them to rejoin the same link or use the dial-in number as a backup. If you remain host, keep a chat message with next steps so attendees can continue without delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.